is Ana-Christina, sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. So I realized this morning I've been working a lot of hours, a lot of days in a row on a big project that I have going with the summit that's coming up. And I have a lot to do, I have a lot more to do. There's always something on the list. There's always something that you could be doing and marking off your list. But the bottom line is you've got to take time to fill up your tank. It's time to fill up your tank. Take the time, make the time. One of the things that fills me up is water. We've had a health issue in the family for a couple of months and we've really been sticking close to home. This morning I'm just like, Wilson, we got to get out. We got to get on the bikes. And so we live across town, across Denver from the foothills. What we decided to do is just press in and ride over here to the foothills, just to the west of Denver. I love water. Water heals me. Water fills me. It always has, it always will, and it does right now. The sound of it, the look of it, I will simply just sit here. Many of my selfies are simply the toes of my boots with water right beyond them. So I'm inviting you, and I'm challenging you, and I'm welcoming you, and I'm giving you permission to clear some time in your schedule, to do whatever it takes. If you have younger kids, get some babysitting. If you have older parents that need help, get them the help and you take a little bit of time. Whether it's taking a bath, whether it's getting a manicure, whether it's cooking or baking that you've been wanting to do. Whatever it is that fills your tank, it's time. It's time. The world needs you. The world needs your uniqueness. The world needs who you are that nobody else can give. This is Ana-Christina, sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. All my love, all my blessing. See you in the next video. Bye.